What's up, everybody? That car guy Eddie here, and today another video. I'm in the house with Adam the mechanic. Woo! Woo! Let's go, Adam. So today's video is actually a softball video, and for those of you that don't know, I was actually recently reached out to by Pure to become a Pure affiliate rep, and Adam happens to swing Pure softball bats. So round of applause for Adam. Woo! I personally am not quite baller enough to buy Pure bats myself, but Adam is. In fact, if you direct your attention here, you'll actually see a couple of Pure bats on the shelf, and we're going to talk about those just a little bit later. But first, what we want to do is look at what's in the box. So, Adam, what'd you buy?
The brand new Pure Skybolt Marble Edition.
The Pure Skybolt Marble Edition. So tell me what exactly the Skybolt is, Adam.
The Skybolt is Pure's ASA bat. They are basically copying, well, very similar to Monster and a power amplification device.
Power amplification, yes, that's the pad device that's located within the barrel. So this technology isn't new, okay? It's just been revamped. What I mean by that is there are effectively the bat, and the bat is several different pieces. Now, when you look at this, you say, oh, it's one piece bat. Oh, maybe it's two pieces. Well, I have a little secret for you. It's much more than that. So the technology that are in bats like this and bats like this are all incredibly similar. You have an outer barrel here. You have a handle. You have a knob, which is important because it has to do with weighting. You have your end cap, but then within the barrel itself, you actually have on this power amplification device, the pad technology. And on a Monster, similarly, you have what they refer to as the floating inner barrel. Now, the whole way that a softball bat works is softball bat works on compression and trampoline effect. So what that means is that when the ball comes in and you swing the bat, the ball actually causes the bat to compress and it trampolines the ball out. ASA bats, specifically due to regulations, a lot of them are finding ways to become what they call the V word. Come on. Not variable. Oh my gosh, drop it in the comments if you know what it is. Not variable compression. This is horrible. I should know this. Anyways, it's a different measurement, effectively. What I mean by that is that when you compression check a bat like this, you're going to have much lower compression. Similarly to like the Easton here. The Easton is another double wall composite bat. And because it's double barrel, there's an inner and a linear. These are non-linear bats. That's what I was looking for. The outer barrel will compress and the inner barrel will actually stay harder and cause more of a trampoline effect. The idea is so that you don't go above the association's recommended mile per hour ball velocity speed, which is 98 miles an hour. Okay, enough of that. But like I said, all of the different companies have their own little technology behind it. Honestly, if you Google what is in this, if you take this off, it looks like a little piece of foam, honestly, with a piece of tape wrapped around it. And that's not the first bat I've seen the inside. DeMarini, I think, honestly, started probably first doing this with the DeMarini Juggernaut way back in like 2007, 2008, when it literally was like a pool noodle. The bat flexed so much, they had to do something to keep the bat from flexing past the 90 mile an hour standard. So it was like a piece of foam that they would shove in there. Well, lo and behold, floating inner barrel, foam inner barrel, maybe? But this is not about that. This is about Pure technology. Now, I've never seen a Pure opened up. I have no idea what's actually in here. But I do know from a legality standpoint that a certain manufacturer might actually be going after Pure for the technology that they're using because it's so similar. Worth and Mikan use a similar double barrel technology and inner barrel technology. It's just attached to the end cap. But that's not what this video is about, okay? I digress. This video about what's in the Pure box, okay? So first of all, what's in the Pure box? Another box! Another box! That's right, they sent us a box.
And some tape.
And some tape. That's the first thing I hate about Pure. First thing I hate. Look, check it out. Check it out. No grip tape. No grip tape. Now, they don't send it to you with the grip tape on it, actually for more of a precise scale reading. Oh, it's like hockey tape, man. Have you put any of this on? It's 3M. It's not even back grip. Look, it's 3M. Look.
Oh yeah.
So it's probably most similar to the VOOC grip. Where's my
But with that being noted, on the blue Skybolt, it did come with a grip tape that was very similar to a lizard skin.
Okay, so it did come. Yeah, this is very, where's my, oh, here we go. The VOOC grip, it's like a cloth kind of, so if you like that, it did come with it. Like I said, it's just 3M tape. But we're going to pull this out here. So Adam, what did you get? You got a
26 ounce with an ounce end load.
26 ounce with an ounce end load. So here we go. This is where we are. Are we still in frame here? So this is a 13-inch barrel. Like I said, it's a Skybolt, so it's effectively this bat right here. It's just a much prettier. Adam, are you ready for it?
Yes.
You ready for the unveiling?
Yes.
Should I drop it? No, I'm just kidding. Oh, and it's in plastic. I didn't know it was going to be in plastic. Wow, look at the Go Raiders! Look at that. Am I still in frame here?
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, look at that. So it's a black and silver marble. It looks like a wrap, which is beautiful. It's got some sparkle on it. You want to take the plastic off?
Yeah.
Now, Pure also does sell bats that have a little bit of grip technology built into it. On the Skybolt, I think the grip technology is actually built into the letters on it, right?
It's called the arrow line.
And the idea behind that is to get cut on the ball. I'm not a good enough player to cut the ball, so. Is it cracked? Ooh. Oh, never mind, it's just another piece. I totally thought it had to crack, just another piece of plastic. Oh, Adam, it smells like new paint. So I will tell you that that's one really great thing about Pure is that they still paint their bats, okay? A lot of the new manufacturers, because it's cheaper, they wrap the bats. Bats are all the same, then they come and they actually put like a wrap over it, they heat it and shrink it. But Pure does cut it. So there it is, Adam. There's the Pure Skybolt 1 ounce end load, 26 ounce. Definitely looks good. This is the other one here that will be for sale soon. This was a limited edition color too, right?
Yes.
The normal color is just white.
White.
This is the Cobalt edition, but effectively it's the exact same bat, just a repaint. Same weight and everything like that. Adam, do you like the Skybolt?
Yes. Probably my favorite ASA bat I swing right now.
There you go. So there it is. There's the new marble ASA Skybolt with the 1 ounce end load. Stay tuned. Definitely like and subscribe. There's a couple things we're going to be doing. We bought a radar for velocity testing. So we're going to be testing all of these bats up against one another. You'll see some big names in here. You'll see Proton, of course. You'll see some ASA stuff, some U-Trip stuff, some older ASA stuff, some newer stuff, and everything in between. We're also
Griffey as well.
Yeah. All the Griffies, all your Louisville. So definitely like and subscribe, especially if you like this content. Adam, thanks for dropping the money on this. If you are interested in one of these or any Pure product, definitely message me below. I will go ahead and be able to shoot my discount code. I might even put that across the bottom. Get yourself 20% off the Pure product, which is a great way to go. So this is Eddie. Take it easy and swing hard. Oh my gosh, we almost forgot to weigh the freaking thing. So that's a big deal. So we have our food scale over here. Let's see what we got. So it should be 26.35, but I think my scale is broken because if I take it off, it registers 0.25. So I'm gonna say that it's probably 26.1. Let's weigh it again. 26.35, yeah. So I'm gonna say that it's 26.1. So it's pretty dead nuts to sticker.
Yeah, the blue one was 26.1 when it was fresh as well.
Yeah, and like I said, it is just a repaint, but it does say special edition limited Skybolt on it, which is pretty sweet. So, all right, thanks for watching.